Right, here we go. I have no idea if this even looks good right now. I've pulled up at a place to give you an intro. Today we're going to be doing a nighttime POV in the A45S. If you've seen my car by now, then welcome back. If you haven't yet, then hit that subscribe button. There's plenty more content to come. We're just going to get in the car. We're going to go on a night drive. It's so nice at night because the lights on the interior are a joke. I think I've managed to get the number plate stuck on for good now, but the car is very clean right now as well. I've put a ceramic coat just with like a detail spray, but it looks phenomenal right now. So clean. Look at that, we've got some nice light on there. Let's jump in the car, give it a loud start, and let's go driving. Cheeky bottle of prime. All right, let's give it a loud start. I reckon we can get a better loud start than that, I'm not gonna lie. Let's open the door. We've only got 51 miles, but we don't really matter. First thing I always do when I get in this car is press auto, start, stop off. And if I'm gonna be driving in comfort, I still put the exhaust loud. You only want one thing for this video, race mode. We're also gonna bring up the dials on here so you can see all of the engine output and the torque and all that stuff. I think that's really annoying me. I think that blue looks the best. You can have this multicolored, but yeah, I've got the Super Sport race display. Let's give it a quick rev actually, just so we can see. Don't know if you'll be able to hear it from here. Yeah, I mean, sounds nice for me, but I know it's gonna sound pants for you through the camera, so yeah. Let's just go driving. I mean, I absolutely love this car. It feels phenomenal. Obviously, I've had this for a while now. I've had this like 9 months or so, and it's just so nice. Obviously, it's four-wheel drive, so the traction's insane. I appreciate it either way, whether you're coming for a general drive because you watch my content in general, or you know, you might be a random new person that wants to see what this car's like before you purchase it yourself. And I have got a helmet camera thingy on, head mount, so I'll probably look stupid. Go on mate, give it some. Yeah, if anyone comes next to me, they're probably gonna think I look like a right muppet, but anything for you guys. Look, I don't know if you can see me in the mirror. Oh, it's so jokes. But yeah, we're in race mode, so we're gonna get obviously all the exhaust sounds and stuff. I'm not gonna talk the whole way through, or obviously I'm gonna let you listen to the sound of the car, because if I talk the whole time, you're not gonna be able to hear it. We'll obviously do a bit of manual with the paddles as well as auto, but we're gonna stay in race mode because it's the most enjoyable mode. Oh, nice little Golf R, lapis blue. I do like that car. I was tempted to buy one of them before I bought my A35 before this. This is a 2022 A45S. It's fully stock, in case you wanted to know. But yeah, if you haven't actually seen the full spec of my car, then I've done a video on it in the past, so go check it out. You can, like I said, change these lights to multicolor, so like the top line can be different color to the bottom line, but I just think blue stands out the most, and it definitely looks the brightest, and it also definitely looks the best. During the day, you still sort of see it slightly, but Merc kill it. This looks like a cockpit. Look at this. An absolute cockpit. Woo. It never gets boring, guys. It never gets boring. 16 average MPG. Woo! Buy an A45S, they said. No, I'm in all seriousness. You don't buy this car to have 45 MPG, do you? Let's be real. And that's only in the last 3 hours. Look at the gauges change when you downshift. But yeah, if you are looking to buy this car and you want a general opinion, obviously I own it, so I'm going to be biased, but this car is beautiful. Buy it. If it's the car you're looking for, if you're looking for this sort of car, I couldn't recommend it enough. Even at stock, it sounds beautiful, and obviously it does pop and bang when you've got it in race mode, but it's not overdone. We'll actually go through a little tunnel down here actually and see if we can get some echoes. Not a tunnel, it's like going under a bridge, but it obviously amplifies the sound a little bit. I've not drove an RS3, but I still think A45S kills the interior of the RS3. I just think it looks sick. Obviously you've got these bucket seats standard. Anyway, let's roll the window down a little bit. Obviously if I look up as well, we have got the sunroof. Let's see if we can get some echoed pops and bangs and whatever through the tunnel. Woohoo! Whether you like that or not, who knows? Some people say that it's boring because it has too much traction, you know, but that's four-wheel drive. You don't buy a four-wheel drive car to expect rear-wheel drive. Do you know what I mean? If you want a rear-wheel drive feel, then go and buy an M3. But you know what I'm saying? I want to see if anyone looks at me. Let's see if this van looks at me with my little head camera on. I don't know if he was looking or not. Let's put it in manual mode on the side here and just have some fun. Give it a little downshift. bound to be someone looking at me, thinking, what is that on that guy's head? Yep, he was looking. Now we're at a set of traffic lights where people are definitely, the guy in the van's looking at me. Oh, that's so embarrassing, but it's funny at the same time. Oh, gosh. Oh, he nearly skipped a red light. He thought about it and then he stopped and now he's over 2 lanes. Did anyone else think about this, right? I was talking about this to someone the other day. A good 80% of UK drivers are terrible. Like, they either, you know, going around the roundabout past 12 o'clock and they don't indicate, or they don't indicate coming off, or they just take over 2 lanes. Like, I don't know, I just feel like there's so many weird drivers out there. We're gonna pop the back of the sunroof up a little bit just so my head cam might pick up the sound. Don't know if it will or not. Not too much. You get like the interior lights here. You obviously get the lights through the aircon vents. You get the double strip there, the strip there, the side and in the footwells. And in the cup holders you get 2 little lights. I don't know, I just feel like Mercedes smash it. Do you want to try and get a launch control in for you? But we need to get to a set of lights. That is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this POV. I will of course be doing more, and I'm still so excited for my dad to get the first 1200 miles out the way in his new M3 so we can go out on a drive. But yeah, guys, let me know any other content you want to see in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.